You're not going to see much, but because it's that black carbonaceous shit's packed all over it. You can rub it.
Yeah.
Coming off.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be.
Look at how yellow that is. Oh yeah, dude, look at that.
I think
That's going to be acid from there.
Yeah.
That
Oh
is
man, that's gonna be a nice specimen there. Holy shit.
ruined for life now, huh, buddy?
Oh god, yeah.
That's what
Done.
happened to him too.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, we're gonna clean that baby later.
Yeah.
What do you say, Bigfoot?
Well, that's a piece right there. None of it's falling off, right?
No, it's good, man. It's solid shit.
The most beautiful piece of gold I've seen.
Yeah, well, wait till we fucking clean it. You're gonna lose your shit.
Even dirty.
You're gonna lose your shit.
Incredible dirty.
And it's, I'd say it's probably going to clean up to half maybe.
More than half, I think. Yep.
You're the pro.
Yeah, I think it'll be a little heavier than half. This stuff's pretty dense. That carbonate stuff, it makes it feel lighter in your hand because it's so big. It'll be heavier than you think.
Just a bear.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh my god. It's solid.
It's beautiful. Look how shiny that is.
Yep. Right over the ground. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of acid to do that one, but look how bright the fucking gold is.
Shiny.
Yep. Yeah, it's gonna clean that pretty good right there. It's unbelievable. It's nice.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna take acid.
Yeah, once that stuff gets kind of wet, it kind of just coming off a little bit better, huh?
Yeah. Killer. Killer. It's a fucking killer piece, man. You wait till tomorrow morning when you see this thing, or tomorrow morning after we. It'll take an hour in acid. It'll be done.
Yeah.
There's no need to keep any rock on this one. Look at this bad boy. Stunning, super bright, lustrous gold. Just water gunned it, of course, you saw that. Now we're gonna get rid of all the rest of this stuff.